As population shortages and an aging workforce intensify across Japan and other developed nations, the robotics industry is rapidly stepping into the spotlight. Humanoid robots, once the stuff of science fiction, are now viewed as a viable answer to the looming labor crisis facing essential sectors such as retail. The story of 7-Eleven Japan's bold partnership with robotics innovator Telexistence exemplifies this shift, demonstrating how advanced machines can address economic and societal challenges through automation. 7-Eleven Japan and Telexistence, a new era of retail automation. 7-Eleven Japan has unveiled a groundbreaking collaboration with Telexistence, a robotics vendor at the forefront of humanoid design, to introduce intelligent robots into convenience stores throughout the country. Central to this initiative is Astra, a sophisticated humanoid robot powered by generative AI and harnessing vision-language action (VLA) models. These models integrate visual perception, natural language understanding, and action generation, enabling robots to grasp their environment, comprehend instructions, and act accordingly in real-world settings. Astra, a vision for the stores of tomorrow. The Astra project signals a major leap toward automated retail. By leveraging VLA technology, Astra will be capable of executing multi-step, complex tasks that traditional retail automation simply cannot achieve. While concrete specifications about Astra have yet to be disclosed, the strategic goal is clear: equip stores with robots capable of routine in-store operations. Tasks such as restocking, shelf maintenance, and inventory management would be handled by humanoids, resulting in reduced labor costs and the alleviation of staffing pressures, especially in regions where population decline has left many positions unfilled. One of the most compelling aspects of the Astra initiative is its potential to redefine human roles within convenience stores. Rather than replace jobs wholesale, humanoid robots are designed to absorb the repetitive, physically demanding responsibilities that many employees currently bear. This change would free up human staff to concentrate on more dynamic, client-centered tasks, enhancing customer experience, creativity, and personal interaction that machines cannot replicate. The result is a more resilient retail ecosystem, resistant to demographic shocks and capable of scaling in step with shifting consumer expectations. Scaling the vision, from pilot programs to nationwide rollout. This venture is not the company's first foray into retail robotics. 7-Eleven previously piloted Telexistence drink restocking robots in select Tokyo locations, with promising results in efficiency and reliability. Now, with over 20,000 stores in Japan poised for integration, the scale and ambition of this latest project is set to create a transformative effect, laying the foundation for end-to-end automation of perception, planning, and control in retail operations. Recent years have also seen rapid advancements from major players outside Japan, with American startups and tech giants accelerating humanoid robot deployments across diverse industries. Figure AI, for example, has partnered with BMW to introduce its highly adaptable humanoid robots to auto manufacturing lines, where they assist with complex assembly and logistics tasks in real-world factory environments. Meanwhile, Tesla's Optimus project has made headlines with pilot rollouts of its humanoid robot performing repetitive service duties, including real-world testing inside a Tesla diner, where Optimus is tasked with basic food preparation and cleanup jobs previously handled by human staff. These high-profile initiatives reflect the growing belief among global robotics leaders that humanoid machines are poised to become indispensable workforces, capable of integrating seamlessly into both blue-collar and service settings. Japan's adoption of humanoid robots in convenience stores mirrors a global movement toward robotics as a cornerstone of the future economy. Other initiatives, such as the deployment of delivery robots by companies like DoorDash, underscore how AI-powered machines are extending their reach across sectors previously untouched by automation. As more retailers, manufacturers, and service providers seek solutions to shrinking workforces and changing market demands, humanoid robots are likely to become a central pillar of modern society. 7-Eleven Japan's collaboration with Telexistence is far more than a technological showcase. It is a statement on the future role of robotics in addressing fundamental societal needs. As population shortages challenge long-standing economic models, humanoid robots like Astra represent both a practical tool and a symbol of innovation. For the robotics community and the wider world, this partnership is a glimpse into a future where humans and intelligent machines work side by side to power the essential infrastructures of daily life.